After watching this video, I bet you that you will definitely become guru on how to prompt. Yes, whether when you are generating your script, or when you are trying to generate a consistent image, or when you are even trying to like get a good image that looks super realistic whenever you are telling your story or creating your AI movies. This video is actually that video for you, because in today's video, guys, I will definitely give you a detailed information, a detailed step-by-step guide on how you should be able to prompt your story, or to prompt your AI to get a very good result for yourself. If you are interested, let us dive into the full tutorial video. And don't forget to do what, subscribe, like this video, and share this video. Then let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Without further ado, guys, let us jump into the full tutorial video now.
Starting with bad prompting to generate story scripts. So most content creators, or let me say beginners on storytelling, this is what they used to do. Hi ChatGPT, they'll be like, hi ChatGPT, I want to create, let's say I want to generate, I want to create a story titled The Bad Mother. Titled The Bad Mother Who Rejected Her Only Son. They see that, then they will send. Once you send this stuff, you see ChatGPT. There is one thing you people don't know about AI. AI is garbage in, garbage out. What you tell AI, the information you give AI determines the result you will be getting. Do you understand? So once you send something like this, automatically, this AI will just generate a random story for you. And believe me, reason this AI is still asking me this question is because I have trained my AI to always give me something reasonable. Do you understand? But if your AI is not trained, it will just go ahead and generate a random story for you, which is very, very bad. And now, reason this stuff is actually bad is this. You see, to all AIs that is actually generating stories online, they have a particular pattern they follows while creating their story. That is why inauthentic content and the monetization of AI stories is actually rampant, because when YouTube use their bots to analyze each video, each story that those creators are actually creating are similar to each other. And that is why most, or let me say thousands of AI channels we are deleted on YouTube. So the best way to prompt your AI to get a good result is this. So first, open your chat. Now when you open your chat, I'm going to record this stuff. Now the things you need to include is this. So you'll be like, hello ChatGPT, I want to generate a story. The title of the story is not given, but I have a full description of the story. The story is all about a Nigerian mother who neglected its son because the son was deaf and dumb. So because of the fact that the son was unable to speak, the mother was disappointed and not proud of the boy. So he dumped the boy to suffer. But unfortunately, a strange young girl saw the boy, picked up the child, trained the child, and eventually the child became a well-known businessman with multi-million-dollar switch. Now I want you to create 10 story chapters on this particular story, and then generate 2 paragraphs in each chapter with a well-written story narration inside each of the chapter. Now once you send this stuff, automatically AI does not have choice. It will start generating the story already immediately. But don't forget, when I gave this AI instruction on the first time, it was actually trying to first try to gather more information for the AI, let's say for the ChatGPT to actually generate story for me. But now, as you can see, I am very detailed in my story. Now the very first thing I said is this: the title is not given. So whenever you're generating your stories with AI, don't give the AI title. Just come up with your description. Now, as you can see at the ending part, I said I want 10 story chapters on each of the chapters, I want 2 powerful paragraphs to represent each chapter. Now, if you look at this story now, this is chapter 1. You see that? Then going down now, I have my paragraph, 2 paragraphs. This is chapter 2. Then going down, I have 2 paragraphs, chapter 3. Do you see that? So this is just how to prompt your ChatGPT or any AI to get a very detailed story script for any story. The same thing is applicable to dialogue. If you want to create a dialogue story, all you need to do is just to come at the ending part of this place and then indicate you want dialogue and no narration should be added to the story, and automatically this AI is going to generate a full dialogue story for you. Do you see that? Good. Now that is that about that. Now let's go to generating an image. So to do that, I'll be using Flow AI to give you a good result. Now once you come to your Chrome browser, all you need to do is just search for Flow AI. So when you search for Flow, then you will see many options. Is either you click on this one that has labs.google, or you click on this one. Both of them will definitely take you to the same site. So let's click on the first one. Now, example of bad prompting when it comes to generating an image. So here is an example of bad prompting. It says what? Generate a realistic image of a Nigerian man walking through the door looking very happy. Now, do you see this particular prompt? This particular prompt is not complete and is a very bad prompting. Now, let's say this is what you did and then you hit generate. Let's say this stuff should be in 16:9. Okay, next I'm just generating one image and then you hit your generate. One thing with AI is it will definitely serve you the results you actually key in. Do you understand? So let's just see the image is already coming up. Then I'm going to show you example of what? Of a good and professional prompting when it comes to generating an image. Now, can you see this is a very bad prompting? Look at how the image looks like. This is like, it's very, very unkept. Like, you see how bad the image actually is. So what this stuff is actually trying to tell you is this: the information you key in or the information you give AI is very, very important, because AI is actually a stupid machine. It does not purify anything. He does not know your mind, so you must be detailed with anything you want to do. Do you understand? Now, this is a best way to prompt your AI to get a very super realistic image. Now look at this prompt: an ultra realistic, hyper detailed cinematic scene of a wealthy Nigerian businessman confidently walking towards the grand entrance of his ultra luxurious mansion. His tall, exceptionally handsome African man in his late 30s with a middle athletic body build. You see that? Dark, smooth skin and a clean low cut hairstyle with stylish sporty waves. Now, do you see that? I explained everything here. He's dressed in a perfectly tailored premium black Italian suit with a crisp white dress shirt, a black sleek tie. Now, this is how detailed I am. Now, coming to the mansion that the man is actually entering, look at what I said. The man's interior is breathtakingly luxurious, inspired by modern Nigerian billionaire home. Can you see? Now, this is the living room. I explained, like I was detailed, how I want the living room to look like. Now, this is what I said. The living room features a luxurious red and gold royal theme, including what? Oh my god, I was too detailed. Now look at how I was able to get that prompt. Now look at the instruction, or let's say the prompt I gave ChatGPT to give me a very good prompt. Now look at what I said. I want you to write me a detailed text to image prompt about a Nigerian wealthy man dressed in black suit, low cut hairstyle with sporty waves on his head. A tall, handsome body build, not too much, just moderate, walking to the door in an expensive, luxurious mansion. Now, on the inside of the mansion has his pictures on the wall with a beautiful big chandelier centered at the center top of the sitting room. Then the room was decorated in red and gold carpet. Now, I want you to write me a detailed text to image prompt. So that was how I was able to get this. Now let's just hit generate here on Flow to see the kind of image we will be having, guys. And this is the perfect way to actually prompt. Anything you want to say inside your prompt, include it. When you are giving AI or any AI instruction, you will definitely get a beautiful and amazing outcome, guys. Now look at my second image. So can you actually compare this image with this image? Do you see how pop-up this image actually looks like? Now, if you want this image to come more closer, you can just long press on this image and then click on add to prompt here. Because to me now, I think the image is kind of too small. Do you understand? So once you click, the image will definitely come here. Now what you need to do is just a close-up image. Just type a close-up image, then don't change the character. You see that? Now you have this, and you hit boom. Flow AI will definitely bring this image closer now, and it will still maintain the same face of this particular guy you are seeing here. Now looking at this is a close-up image of this guy. Now if you look, the guy is actually putting on the same suit. The same thing that is here, it's here. So this is just how to create a perfect image and a good story whenever you want to make one. Thank you. And if you find value, let me know in the comment section.